And as always, we're going to be looking for accurate context, good risk management, and always exercising good patience.
Anytime you're talking about fundamentals in a market and direction, fundamentals take a little bit of time to play out.
We got crude oil today, kind of trading yesterday's value area really nicely, low to high.
That's what we're here for, is to put ourselves in the best success. A trading routine does that, builds that habit, lets you know what to work on, what to reflect on, and what to improve on the next day.
Good afternoon, friends and traders. Welcome to the Market Recap. I am Dan Hodgman. It is Wednesday, November 10th, the Marine Corps birthday, big day for me. I'm pretty excited. I got a celebration with a bunch of my buddies this evening to celebrate our birthday. But the markets, they were moving today. CPI 6.2%, highest number we've seen in approximately 31 years. 0.9% month over month. Inflation basically has taken away the gains for the wage gains for workers and then some. So, concerning. This is not just inflation affecting our costs of living, but it's also triggering a spike in yields. Treasury yields spiked here today, so we are seeing a sell-off exaggerated in the Treasury market as well. I have put in our comment section here, we do have the link for today's market therapy. John is sitting down with the great Dr. Menaker here in the next about 10 minutes or so. So we're going to keep today short. We're not even going to hop into the charts. We're just going to talk about everything that's gone on so everyone can get on over there to make sure you can go join that. So really quick, what do we have going on? Well, we had crude oil number come out. We had a boost of 1 million barrels, sending crude oil lower. We actually rotated to the downside, coming to check points of control from back on Monday. Finally checked that point of control. I do apologize. Sarge is seeing a squirrel outside barking away. Market is open tomorrow. Yes, all right, so crude oil opens up this morning right at settlement price. Breaks down. No surprise there as we add more inventory into the marketplace. You've got S&Ps opened up this morning. We saw a quick push higher to settlement price. And, man, does it check out. Two-way trade for us. Everything we look for. Market on the open closes the gap to settlement price to the tick, rotates back lower and rotates to the downside, extending through overnight lows and continuing lower. So what's going on there, right? Well, if inflation is up, that sends fear into the marketplace. People are concerned. Are people going to continue to spend? Are they going to continue to invest? Are they going to have to pull money out? So we're seeing a little bit of fear right now in the S&Ps. Same thing goes for the NASDAQ. NASDAQ opened up this morning. Really volatile open. Rips higher, touches settlement price, moves through about a few handles. And just like the S&Ps, rotates lower, goes and makes low. We're back below 16,000 for the first time in a few days here. So we are well back below 16,000. We are trading right now 15,960. Gold, on the other hand, high CPI. What does that mean? People are flying to the quality. So you see a huge spike here today in gold. Gold rips up almost $50 to the upside. And then we saw a little bit of sell-off after that move, but we're holding today steady, approximately $20 up today. 10-year note, Euro and 10-year note both sold off. They started making a down move in the overnight session and accelerated during regular trading hours. Okay, so like I said, the link for today's market therapy is in the comments here. I want to make sure everyone has time to get over there, so I wanted to just be quick here today. So we're just doing the walkthrough, running over high overview of our markets, and we're going to just jump into some news, and we'll get on here so we can all get over there and join that. This will be a great session. Bitcoin down a little bit here today, $66,315 a coin. And then, like we mentioned, I think this is the important one, CPI, 6.2% year over year. And month over month, 0.9. Just for transparency, or just for understanding, last month CPI was up 5.4% year over year and 0.4% month over month. So month over month is a huge growth there. Our consensus was going to be around 0.5%, almost doubled that. Consensus on year over year, like we said last month, 5.4%. People were thinking it's going to be a little higher, maybe 5.8. Well, we are even higher than that, 6.2%. So hopefully y'all are getting good raises right now to help offset some of our extended costs here. Again, tomorrow is Veterans Day. No major economic releases. Pretty quiet day there. Well, a very quiet day there. Earnings are going to still continue rolling in. We have Disney coming in here this afternoon. And then tomorrow, very quiet on earnings. Really nothing to write home about. Literally nothing that, we should bat our eyes at there. All right, let's touch on our stocks and we'll get on out of here. Airbnb up $192.22. GameStop, $199.19. AMC, $38.29. Tesla got a little bit of a bid today, $1,067.95, up $45. Speaking of Tesla, Rivian went public today at $78. We had a spike up to $120, going to end the day right around $100. Oh, it's pretty exciting there. If you haven't looked into the Rivians, highly recommend it. Really an interesting company, backed by Amazon, has Ford backing as well. They're building really beautiful vehicles. It could really make for an interesting stock to start watching, to maybe see if it falls into one of our underlying assets here as that company continues to grow. I think it's right around a $90 billion valuation right now, so a really big company there. Our Robinhood, $34.49. And hey, we saw the spike in the VIX today. VIX got a good little move to the upside. We're ending our day right at 1878. So VIX is up. All right, so news. We touched it. CPI, that's the one to pay attention to. You got Disney earnings coming in here right now. They're out. I am not seeing them just yet. We'll see if I get a notification here before we scroll out. And then lastly, this date in history. Like I said, I want to make sure everyone has time to get over to Market Therapy there. So we'll touch on this day in history and get on out here. First off, for me, this is a very important day. It is the Marine Corps birthday, 10 November 1775. My Marine Corps came alive in a little tavern in Philadelphia called Tun Tavern. So it is the Marine Corps birthday. If you know a Marine out there, or make sure you wish him a happy birthday. If you are a Marine, happy birthday to you. Not only that, we had Sesame Street debuted on this day, 1969. Sesame Street debuted, and I had one other one which I found pretty interesting. If you're from the Midwest, you've heard of the Edmund Fitzgerald. It's basically a ship in Lake Superior that disappeared overnight, and that happened on this day in 1975. Afternoon, George, PD, Rick, good to see you, Da, PK, and Vince. Rick, I'm sure you want to get over there and hear your brother ramble on with Market Therapy and Dr. Menaker. So you guys all get over there, go enjoy Market Therapy. I'm going to try and tune in as well. So you guys all have a great rest of your day. Get over there, join that, and don't forget, John will be back tomorrow morning, 7:45 a.m. Central Time with the market forecast. So until then, stay safe, wash your hands, trade smart, and trade well. Look forward to seeing you guys in the markets. Take care, everybody.